In today's video, I am going to teach you how to insert a block library in AutoCAD. Whether you are browsing a shared folder of symbols or building a reliable toolkit you can reuse on every project. I'll walk you through two clean, dependable ways to bring block libraries into your drawings. First, let's use the Blocks palette, which is ideal for AutoCAD 2020 and newer. Start on the Home tab and choose Insert. Then Blocks from Libraries. This opens the Blocks palette. Switch to the Libraries tab so you are looking at external sources, not just the blocks already in your current drawing. Click the Browse button with the folder icon, then point AutoCAD to the folder or drawing file where your blocks live. You'll see thumbnails populate as AutoCAD reads that location. Click the block you want, move your cursor into the drawing, and place it where it belongs. AutoCAD will prompt you for an insertion point, and you can click to place it or type precise coordinates. If you need to control how it lands, look along the command line or options area to set scale and rotation before you finish. If a block comes in unexpectedly large or small, that usually indicates a unit's mismatch. Adjust the scale on placement so it fits your drawing. This palette method is great for quick access because you can hop between folders and DWG sources without leaving your workspace. Now, if you are looking for a persistent library you can keep at your fingertips, create a custom tool palette from your blocks. Open the Design Center by pressing Ctrl+F2 or typing Add Center. In the Design Center, navigate to the folder that contains your block files. When you see the folder in the tree, right-click it and choose Create Tool Palette of Blocks. AutoCAD instantly builds a new tab on your tool palettes with all the blocks it found. From here, it's as simple as dragging a block from the palette into your drawing. It follows the same insertion workflow: pick a point, set rotation or scale if needed, and it's ready to use. This palette stays with you across sessions, so it's perfect for standards libraries and frequently used symbols. For smooth results, keep the source folder organized and in a consistent location so the palette always knows where to find those blocks. Use the Blocks palette when you want to browse and insert on the fly, and use a custom tool palette when you want a curated, always available library. That's it. Thanks for watching.